Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate comfort and support with the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Chair, a versatile saddle stool designed to enhance your sitting experience, whether you're in a salon, clinic, or office. Engineered to support up to 550 pounds, this chair features specially molded foam that provides a luxurious 2.5-inch thick seat base, ensuring you can sit for extended periods without discomfort. The smooth polyurethane wheels allow for effortless movement across hardwood floors and carpets, making it perfect for professionals like tattoo artists, dentists, and hairstylists. Wrapped in premium upholstery, this chair is not only sleek and stylish but also hypoallergenic, CFC-free, oil-resistant, and waterproof, promising durability and longevity. With an adjustable height range from 20.5 to 27.5 inches, you can easily customize this chair to fit your exact needs, ensuring perfect posture and comfort. Whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting, this saddle stool is designed to alleviate back pressure and enhance your daily routine. So, if you're looking for a chair that combines style, comfort, and functionality, the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Chair is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.